What up, fancy food followers? Today I'm going to show you how to cook fancy meat with eggs. I just got this traditional Demeter bierschinken. It's a can I picked up during my last trip to German supermarket. It sits pretty tight in the can and drips a lot of gooey stuff when you open it. It ain't easy to take that shit in one-handed. You need two hands for that shit. Firstly, chop it up to a neat slices. Heat up a large pan and melt some butter on it. Drop the fancy meat on the melted butter and stir it up for a little bit. Flip the pieces until they are evenly charred. Add some eggs, I deliberately popped one egg to make it easier for the sandwich. Once it's done, you can put this stuff in a bun or just eat it off the plate. I show you both modes for your convenience. This is nice, lazy dad meal. The meat is pretty salty, so you just need to add salt to the eggs and be careful with it because you might spoil it. Personally, I think it's very individually preferation because some people like a whole bunch of salt and some people don't like salt at all. My preferation is to add a little bit salt to the eggs, and the rest of it don't do it because it's already too salty. It's nice, it's easy to cook, and it's very quick. Don't think it's very healthy though. Once again, enjoy this video and don't try this at home. Oh wait, you should try this at home because it's good. Peace.